How to turn off location services on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Tap on Location Services at the top. On this page, you can view which apps have access to your location below. Now, turn off the Location Services option at the top as shown. Tap on Turn Off again to confirm. Location Services will now be disabled for all apps. Location Services uses GPS, Bluetooth, and crowdsourced Wi-Fi hotspots and cell tower locations to determine your location. Following these steps, you can easily turn off location services on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.